Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a CCTV surveillance system works, step by step. First, a CCTV camera is installed in an important area such as an entrance, room, office, shop, parking lot, or building gate. The camera continuously watches the selected area so that any movement, activity, or incident can be recorded. Next, the camera lens captures light from the scene and converts it into a video signal. In simple words, the lens works like the eye of the CCTV system because it collects the visual information and creates the video footage. After that, many CCTV cameras use night vision and motion detection. Infrared lights help the camera see clearly in low light or darkness, while motion detection identifies movement and can trigger alerts when something unusual happens. Then, the captured video is sent through a cable or network connection. In traditional systems, the footage may travel through coaxial cables, while modern IP cameras can send video through Ethernet cable, Wi-Fi, or an internet network. After the video reaches the main system, the DVR or NVR processes the footage. A DVR is mainly used with analog cameras, while an NVR is commonly used with IP cameras. This device receives video from all connected cameras, organizes it, and prepares it for recording and viewing. Next, the footage is saved in storage. CCTV systems can store recordings on a hard drive, SSD, or cloud storage. This allows users to check previous footage later whenever they need to review an incident or collect evidence. After storing the video, users can also monitor the live footage. Security staff, shop owners, homeowners, or managers can watch the camera feed on a monitor, computer, or mobile phone app in real time. Finally, the system allows playback, alerts, and evidence collection. Users can replay old recordings, receive motion alerts, zoom in on important details, and use the video footage as proof during investigations. Overall, the main parts of a CCTV surveillance system include cameras, power supply, cables or network connection, DVR or NVR, storage drive, monitor, and mobile app or internet access. Together, these parts help protect people, property, and important places 24 hours a day. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.